Why your first 100K is so hard. Most people think making 100K is about luck. It's not. Your first 100K is the hardest because you're building everything from zero. Zero skills, zero capital, zero momentum. At the beginning, progress feels slow. Your income grows slowly, your investments barely move, and discipline feels painful. But here's the secret. The first 100K isn't just financial. It's psychological. You're building habits, you're building patience, you're building consistency. Once you hit 100K, growth becomes faster because momentum starts working for you. The hardest part isn't the money, it's becoming the person capable of earning it. And that's why most people quit before they get there. Subscribe to https://thefinancialgauntlet.com.